Nadia Rafiq from IT department of Meghna Shah Institute of Technology. Now, we all are stuck in a situation where we cannot go out of our homes. Only we can pray for this situation. In this worst situation, our teacher gives us little energy to get up and ready. They are conducting online classes via Zoom or Google Meet and helping us to solve any problem regarding our study. They are supplying study material for better references and assignment for continuous practices. Also, we are doing co-curricular activity for mark points, which is mandatory additional requirements. I am really thankful to our college and teachers who are guiding us in the correct path. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shradashwini Sinha from IT third year of Meghna Shah Institute of Technology. And as we all know that the world is going through some really hard and tough times right now. And we've all been cooped up inside our respective homes, which in turn is making our studies a lot more difficult. But even in these hard and tough times, our wonderful teachers have been trying to make sure that our studies aren't really hampered and have been really instrumental in trying to normalize the situations as much as possible by providing us with all the study materials, taking online classes, giving us assignments and clearing up our doubts and queries as much as possible. So I'd like to take this opportunity to really thank them for being there with us and providing us with all the guidance and the helping hand that we really needed. Thank you.
I am Shunava Roy of Information Technology Department of Meghna Shah Institute of Technology. We all know that the world is going through a very tough time as the pandemic COVID-19 has affected the whole lifestyle of the world. So it is not only affecting the lifestyle but also the education system. But even in such a tough condition, our teachers, our college authorities are helping us a lot, are actually standing by our side. They are providing us with enough and immense study materials and teaching us through all the online means possible. So I want to thank all the respected teachers and all the college authorities. I hope that the normal time will come very soon and we will start leading our normal life again. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Sen of IT third year from Meghna Shah Institute of Technology. Right now we are facing a very critical situation in our lives. Schools and colleges across the globe have been closed in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic situation. So it's a very unfortunate event that we are unable to attend our colleges presently. As a result, our teachers are facing a challenge of continuing our education. Though it's a very daunting task, but our teachers, with the help of resources and technology, are ensuring that we get quality education and keeping the education industry uplifted by conducting online classes and providing us with YouTube videos and study materials. Apart from the online classes, we are being encouraged by a college to do some co-curricular activities and achieving the required MER points. So, I would like to thank our Director Sir, Dean Ma'am and all the teachers for always encouraging and supporting us. Thank you.